August was a busy month here at the Department of Energy, with so much news to catch you up on, so let's not waste any time. Secretary Granholm kicked off the month in Wisconsin and Arizona to launch the Home Energy Rebates Program in those states to lower your energy costs. She then traveled to Michigan to make several announcements on how the Biden-Harris administration is bringing manufacturing back to America. More than $200 million in funding for the manufacturing of batteries, heat pumps, and EVs. These investments are creating good-paying jobs and taking us one step closer to a net zero economy by 2050. With this boost in manufacturing, along with the rise in AI, DOE launched a resource hub this month with tools for the public as well as industry leaders to help the power grid meet the growing demand. And speaking of the grid, Secretary Granholm went to North Carolina this month to announce a whopping $2.2 billion from the bipartisan infrastructure law to protect the grid against extreme weather, lower costs for communities, and generate additional grid capacity to meet demand. We also announced $190 million for the Renew America Schools program to lower energy costs in schools and $240 million to raise the bar for energy efficiency in buildings across the country. I mean, talk about back to school. And while we're lowering costs and making our communities more resilient to climate change, DOE is investing a wide range of clean energy technologies that are central to the Biden-Harris Investing in America agenda. From building out the electric vehicle charging infrastructure to expanding the use of innovative hydrogen development and geothermal energy. With these investments comes jobs, 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 and we're already seeing this progress underway. This month, the department released a report showing that clean energy jobs in 2023 grew at more than twice the rate of the overall U.S. employment. To stay up to date and learn more about how the Biden-Harris administration is lowering costs, building a clean energy economy, and creating high-quality jobs in your neck of the woods, go to energy.gov/newsroom.